All right, guys, it's a beautiful morning in the Outer Banks. First day I did a shave on the beach. Second day I did a shave on my balcony with the beach in the background. Oh, nice. And now for my final shave. I'm doing a shave in a maritime forest. I've got 1 day's worth of growth and a beautiful forest background where wild horses roam. You never know. Might see a wild horse in this. I am a wild horse. All right, today's shave will be featuring one of my favorites. It's new. It's a new product for me. Again, I got it at Pastor Shaving in New York City, or pastorshaving.com. It is the Wet Shaving Communities candy store. And this scent, Zingari Man, the Explorer. Beautiful soap here. Beautiful. Citrus, woods, vetiver. What a wonderful soap. With the accompanying aftershave or recovery splash, as they call it. All right, same beautiful scents. I'm also going to be using, this has become my favorite brush because of the diameter of the head here, the 1962 by FM brush. Now FM brush makes the finest quality brush that you can get, premium synthetic badger, silver tip badger hair, hefty, seamless acrylic, solid handle. The diameter is just right. Look at that fat knot. All right, synthetic badger hair. The properties, looks like authentic badger hair, performs and feels like it, but it's easier to clean and take care of, lasts longer, and no badger was harmed in the production of this beautiful brush. F&M Brush Company pioneered synthetics back in the 70s, correct? 60s, 70s? They're an American manufacturer, 4 generations rather, since 1929 in Glendale, New York, right? Get yourself an FM brush. Ask me where to get one. Also going to be using an interesting razor. Now this is a Parker, and it's a slant razor. So it's got that slanted head, which makes it a tad more aggressive than your traditional razor. It's loaded with a Dorco Prime Premium or Prime Plus blade, I believe. And I'm ready to go. Now, since I'm in such a beautiful place with these wonderful trees all around, look at these trees. And the birds chirping. This is going to be a quiet shave. I'm going to do 3 passes. Enjoy the silence. Enjoy that, guys. First pass in the books, guys. Beautiful, very aggressive. All right, so a little bit more warm water now on my face. And I'll load up for the second pass, which is going to be a cross grain pass. Now the cross grain pass is a difficult pass with an aggressive razor, aggressive blade. I'm going to take it nice and slow, use little to no pressure, and just do firm glancing strokes against my beautiful skin. The lather seems a little dry. I'm going to add a couple of drops of water, and that'll help liven up that foam, because I want to be very protective here on this second pass, especially with the slanted razor. Again, a slanted head razor or semi-slant is a more aggressive razor. This soap is nice and slick, easy to use. Second pass. Nice. All right, second pass in the books. Now, as you can see, I've left some cream here. I don't want to dig in here. I don't want to force it, because that cross grain, you have the potential on your neck, at least for me, I have a pronounced Adam's apple, of really doing some damage, right? So you want to take your time. You want to be gentle with your face and enjoy yourself. And if you feel any sort of pain, pull back. This is not a pain game. All right, some more warm water. And now I'll set up to do my third and final pass, which is an against grain pass. It's such a nice, beautiful. Isn't this beautiful? The only thing more beautiful than this is my beautiful assistant. This is the original load of foam. We're going back on the face. Oh yeah, baby. Now I could go thicker if I wanted to squeeze some of that foam out. You see how much foam has been created by this brush, right? Put that on there, work that in. But for these last passes, or the last pass, I don't mind a thin layer because I'm really going to do a whisper smooth against grain pass. You can really get into trouble with this pass. So take it slow, take it steady, little or no pressure, and enjoy yourself. Against grain, so hair on my face grows down, I'm gonna flip the blade and shave against the grain. This shave is in the books, guys. Loving this Parker semi-slant, beautiful double-edged razor. I might have nicked myself right here, because I see a little blood on the blade, but it's wonderful. It's very aggressive. So if you have a coarse beard, and you want to get into something a little different, that gives you a little different angle, I'll leave a link in the description box so you can check this out. But average guy tested, average guy approved, the Parker semi-slant DE razor. Very nice. The beautiful FM brush, the 1962. Again, guys, it's my favorite brush company. They make a divine brush. Average guy tested, average guy approved. Let me know if you want one. Zingari Man's Explorer. Beautiful Artisan soap. Nice woodsy citrus smell. Average guy tested, average guy approved. Approved. Now I'm gonna rinse off with some cold water and we'll apply the aftershave or the recovery splash. I've had a great week here in the Outer Banks. Came here in mid-February and the weather was a little bit warmer than seasonal, a little bit warmer than usual, I should say. So we went from mid-60s up into the mid-70s while we were here. It's a beautiful place to come. I'd highly recommend it if you want a little winter getaway. Maybe I'll do a video about it. There we go, guys. You know, with these shaves, I'm feeling a little bit of stubble here and there. But when you're learning, especially when you're new to wet shaving, and you get your new double-edged razor and you get it out of the box, take little baby steps. Do things that feel good. And you're never gonna get all the hair out, guys. So unlike Jimmy G, who's always trying to get that baby's bottom smooth, Just enjoy it. All right, let's go with the recovery splash. Again, Zingari Man. We got a recovery splash. Here we go. Comes out. Oop, let me get a little bit more. It's beautiful, woodsy citrus. Oh. And helps to soothe the skin. Smells divine. Ah, yeah. Zingari Man Explorer Aftershave Recovery Splash. Average guy tested. Average guy approved. And you guys are approved. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Now roll the music.